Yes, a very good morning, guys. Very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me, you can see the screen. All right, let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our yesterday's session. So, yesterday we started discussing about Rosette. So, basically, Rosette is the child interface for result set. By default, result set is not scrollable. Close your laptops, please, everyone. Please feel free to close. Yeah. By default, we know that result set is not scrollable, not updatable. And result set will be working with connected mode. So there is one more option for us, that is Rosette. When you're speaking about Rosette, that is the child interface for result set. So Rosette is by default updatable, by default scrollable, and Rosette will be working with both connected and disconnected mode. So there are different types of Rosettes are there. To be precise, two, JDBC Rosette and Cache Rosette, which we already covered. So now, when we are speaking about JDBC architecture, totally there are 7 components are there. First one, JDBC API. After that, driver manager class. After that, drivers. Then connection interface. After that, statements, result set, SQL exception. So all we already covered except statements. In statements, there are 3 types of statements are there. Statement done. Statement done. Prepare statement done. Right now we need to discuss about callable statement. When you're speaking about statement, okay, when we need to use statement, one SQL query, simple SQL query for one time, then we need to deal with the statement. What about prepared statement? One SQL query for multiple times. So basically prepared statement is going to deal with parameterized SQL queries. We know those parameters also, like we need to give the question marks, and basing upon our requirement, we need to give the values, right? You know that. We already completed that prepared statement. Now today we'll be dealing with the callable statement. But before going to deal with callable statement, I just need to give you a small, very small idea about Oracle concept, that is procedure and functions. Just a small idea, very simple. For example, just let me try to take a small method. Okay, paint here. Guys, Java, generally when you're speaking about Java, please listen. Eyes on the board. Okay. When you're speaking about Java, in general, we'll be having non-parameterized methods, or else we'll do one thing. Methods which does not return anything. In Java, we'll be having methods which does not return anything, and we will be having methods which returns some value, we already know that. Okay, which returns some value, as simple as this. Just a second, let me try to keep it like this. Okay, as simple as this. So when you are speaking about Java, we already know methods. So that's the reason I'm just trying to give an example on that. Methods which does not return anything, basically void methods, and methods which returns some value. So any other methods except void methods, any other methods except void methods returns some value. We already know that. Exactly like that, in SQL, we are having a concept known as procedures, and functions. We are having a concept known as procedures and functions. Okay, sir, what is a procedure? What is a function? Yeah, wait for it. I'll let you know. Procedure. Please imagine, please consider procedure like a method which does not return anything. Just imagine. Procedure means something which does not return anything. When you're speaking about function, function is something which returns some value. Some value. That's it, not more than that. So let me make this very, very simple. In SQL, we are having a concept known as procedures and functions. Procedures does not return anything. Functions return some value. So basically, procedures and functions, first what we need to do, we need to store the procedure inside our database. First, we need to write procedure. I mean, some queries will be there. Multiple SQL queries will be there. Multiple SQL queries. I need to write them inside a procedure and I should execute that procedure in the SQL so that that procedure will be stored. Same scenario for function also. I need to write some function. I mean, okay, guys, one procedure can have any number of SQL queries. One function can have any number of SQL queries. Are you understanding me? Multiple SQL queries. Now, we need to store that procedure or function in the database. And whenever we are using callable statement, I repeat, whenever we are using callable statement, we need to use this procedures or function or procedures or functions. As simple as this. Are you understanding me? Means, for example, let me try to give, okay, just a second, SSTM system manager. Uh, okay, select a star from EMP data. All right. Okay, some data is there. Delete from EMP data where EMP ID equal to 101. Okay, and 102. Done. Deleted. Just for my confirmation. Done. And select star from EMP sal. EMP cell. Here also some data is there. Let me just try to delete from EMP cell where EMP ID equal to 102 and EMP ID equal to 101. I'm just deleted. Let me just try to, okay. Now here CLSCR. All right. Now EMP data, EMP cell. Basically, right now I'm having two tables. First one is EMP data. Just a minute. Let me just try to go a little bit. Okay. Better. Okay. EMP data, EMP salary. In EMP data, I'm having EMP ID, EMP name, EMP designation, employee ID, employee name, employee designation. And in EMP salary also, I'm having employee ID, employee basic salary, employee total salary. So what is this basic and total salary? Okay, for example, let us consider that basic, just a second. Okay. Basic salary is some 10,000. It's there. Let us consider basic salary is 10,000. When you're speaking about salary things in your salary slip, how it will be there, just for example, I'm saying, let us consider a HRA, house rent allowance. Is company is providing you, for example, 35% of the basic salary. It is providing you house rent allowance. And let us just try to go like DA, daily allowance. Let us consider 15% as a daily allowance. Now your total salary equal to just a just a simple calculation. Total salary equal to basic salary plus zero. Can I write? Okay, I want 35% from 10,000. 0.35. Please tell me. Into, can I write basic salary? Please respond. Okay. What about DA? Same. Come on. 0.15 into, I'm going to write basic salary. Okay, just let me try to keep it like this just to avoid confusion here. I'm going to write like this, and obviously I am going to make my total salary as a float, FLOAT float. Come on, floating data type. Na? I hope you understand me. So basically this is a total salary. Total salary. Am I clear with this? Please speak, guys. Okay, now here employee ID in EMP data, employee ID in EMP cell, both are same. Both are same values, same values. So my intention is I want to ask the user to enter employee ID, employee name, employee designation, and enter employee basic salary, not total salary. I hope you are getting me right. User will be entering employee basic salary. I will calculate the total salary and I need to insert the data into both these tables. That is my intention. I need to insert the data into both these tables. How many queries I need to write? Two queries I need to write now. Why, sir? Why two queries? Why? Because two tables are there. Two tables are there. Two queries I need to write. So in order to make that happen, I'm going to store a procedure. I'll be writing a procedure. Okay, but how to write a procedure? For example, let me, up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, I need you to please respond. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? If possible, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat for me. Okay, that is good. That is good. Okay, now let me just try to get back here. This is a syntax for your procedure. I'm going to get it here like this. Okay. All right. This is the syntax for our procedure. Create or replace procedure. Here we need to give the procedure name. Let us just try to go like INSERT insert EMP data. Just let me insert EMP data. What do you say? Is it okay? Please speak. Okay. Now we need to give the parameters. Parameters means basically that is going to deal with prepared statement. Na? Callable statement internally uses prepared statement only. Now we need to give the parameters. All right, guys, this is little bit, just little bit complicated. Not that much, just little bit. Now my question is, how many parameters I need to give? How many parameters? Please tell me how many parameters. But there are 6. What are the EMP ID is actually same, na? So how many parameters I need to give? 5 parameters. Okay, that is actually amazing, guys. I'm impressed. All right, we'll do one thing. Let me just try to get back here, and here I'm going to give something like EID. After that, E name. After that, EDSG, E designation, EBSAL, ETSAL. Just like I gave the parameter. No, not exactly correct. Not exactly correct. What? I mean, someone is saying something. Please tell me. Right now, is it right or wrong? For example, just for example, uh, okay, you know what? Just give me a second. Please give me a second. Right click, new, go to new uh, class. Let me go like JDBC underscore app 8. Okay, finish. All right, I'm having our class here. Okay, now inside this class, just let me try to take a method, void method one. Now I want to give a parameter for this method. Okay, let's go. Now here I'm going to write num1 comma num2. Is it right or wrong? Why it is wrong? What is the problem here? Data, I mean, we need to give the data types now. So here generally we'll be giving left side here like int. Let us just try to go like int, and here also we'll be going with it normally like this. Now when you're speaking about procedure, we need to give to the right side. Right side. Tell me ID, EID, just number. Please check the type here. Varchar, varchar2, just bsal and tsal, both are numbers. Okay, let's go. Let me just try to get back here. Please help me. First one, varchar2. After that, vrchr varchar2. After that, vrchr varchar2. After that, numbr number. After that, numbr number. Okay, that is good. Create or replace procedure. Procedure, insert emp data. We have got our parameters. What are we waiting for? Let's try to write the query. Shall we write the query? Tell me how many queries we need to write? 2 queries. Let's go. Tell me first query. Insert, insert into emp data. Is it emp data? Okay, emp data. Emp data. Please tell me values, parenthesis, not question marks. What we need to write? EID, comma. I'm actually impressed, guys. Ename, EDESG. This is actually very good. Okay. After that, we need to go with one more query also now. What is that? Insert into emp sal values EID B sal. This one we need to give exactly the same values. You know that we are actually using the parameters. E B sal and E T sal. Okay, done. That's it. Now this is our procedure. We created the procedure. After that, we need to store this procedure in our SQL. All right. Let us just try to copy and coming to here. Whenever we are executing the procedure, if we are getting a message like procedure created with warnings, then your procedure is not going to work properly. How many of you done procedures? Raise your hands. Very few. Okay. Let's try to check that. Now I am trying to write that procedure here. Just a second. Let me try to copy it. Coming here. Please check what is the message I am getting. Then it's done. It is correct. If we are getting a message like procedure created with warnings, then something you made a mistake. You need to cross check. You need to cross check. Don't tell me, sir, I wrote completely correct, but I am getting like this. No. If you are writing completely correct, you will not be getting procedure created with warnings. Either a small letter, capital letter, or else, comma. You did have some mistake. You need to check with that. Am I clear with this? Now, our callable statement is going to use this procedure. Is going to use this procedure. You need to speak, guys. Okay. Now, for example, please tell me the code for loading the driver. Go ahead. Please tell me the code for loading the driver. Class dot for name, inside the parentheses, we'll be giving the driver name. After that, driver manager dot get connection. We'll be giving your URL, username, password. Done. After that, what is the return type for that get connection method? Connection. We already know that connection interface. In connection interface, just a second. In connection interface, there are some methods are there, like create statement. We already done. Create statement. We already done. Prepared statement. We already done. Right now, we need to use prepare call. Prepare call. So con dot prepare call. What is the return type for that prepare call? Callable statement. Yes, I hope you are following me, right? Return type for that prepare call method is callable statement. Now tell me one thing. Create statement. Create statement method. Parameterized or non-parameterized? Respond. Prepare statement. Parameterized or non-parameterized? How many parameters? Tell me. Type, and that is not SQL query. SQL query format. Hey, yes or no? SQL, come on guys, you know this. SQL query is different. SQL query format is different. In the prepared statement, we will not directly use the entire query. Na? Generally, we will be giving SQL query format. Question marks. Yes, that is SQL query format. Now, when you are speaking about prepare call, that is also parameterized method. How many parameters? One. And that inside that we need to call our procedure. Means, for example, just let me try to write like this. Here, okay, let me just try to keep it like this. Now, for example, let us consider this. Okay, I'm going to write like this. Okay, callable statement. Now, what is our procedure? Okay, prepare call. Now we need to call. What we need to call? Our procedure. What is our procedure name? Our procedure name is insert EMP data. Just let me try to write insert EMP data. Now, after that, we need to pass the values now. How many values we need to pass? 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please tell me what is my first question mark? EID. Second question mark? E name. Third question mark? E designation. Fourth question mark? E basic cell. Last question mark? I hope you are understanding the concept here, right? So like that, we need to set. Normally in prepare statement, we'll be setting the values now. PSTMT dot set string, set int, exactly like that. We need to set, and then we can execute. Completed callable statement. As simple as this. That's it, not more than that. The only thing in callable statement, the only challenge in callable statement is writing the procedures and functions correctly in the database. If you are able to write them correctly, then fine. So shall we? First, I want you to write some data in your notes and then we can go with our code. Come on, go ahead. Please keep your heading as understanding callable statement. Please. Understanding callable statement. Please kindly note down a small point. Callable statement interface. Callable statement interface is a part of the callable statement interface is a part of the JDBC API is a part of the JDBC API which is used for executing which is used for executing what? Stored procedures and functions, which is used for executing stored procedures and functions. All right. Next point. Callable statement object. Callable statement object is created. Callable statement object is created using the prepare call method. Okay, we know that. Using the prepare call method. Where is that method present? Of the connection interface. Prepare call method of the connection interface. Next point. As prepare call is a non-static method, as prepare call is a non-static method, we need to access that method. We need to access that method with connection reference. With connection reference. Kindly please have this code snippet in your notes for me. You already know that, but please. Online students, if completed, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat. I hope it's done. Now I want you to write the difference between procedure and function also right now only. Please write the differences between a procedure and a function. Just a simple syntax. Procedure, it's a set of queries, obviously multiple queries, which will not return any value. Function, which will return a value. That's it. So it's basically used to perform specific tasks. Function, it will return a value. Structure is important. Please make sure to write the structure. And procedure allows both in parameters and out parameters. Functions supports only in parameters. Just write this. Sir, what are that in and out? Yeah, I'll show. First write. Take time, no worries. Write slowly and clearly. Write the structure correctly, please. Make sure to write the slash also. Online students, if completed, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat so that I can move on to the next topic. Write the structure correctly. I'm not going to show you again. Just a sec. Please cross check that correctly. Procedure structure, please cross check that correctly. Now, function. Done. So tomorrow is Sunday, right? Anything special tomorrow? What? Party? Chicken? No, seriously, enjoy it while you can. Trust me, enjoy it while you can. Right now you're 22, 23. At this time, this is good. Fine. You can enjoy it. Once you came to 35, above that, almost at my age, you cannot enjoy it more. Why? Because, lot of calories intake, it will not. Anyways, you'll understand later. But tomorrow is there anything special? What is tomorrow? Father's Day. What are you thinking, Ra? Tomorrow is a Father's Day. So, what you are planning? Full bottle. Guys, see, let me make this simple. The day you are born, on the day, there will be a light on your dad's eyes, your father's eyes. Only a father can know that. Trust me. Trust me. So tomorrow is your, Father's Day. So make it special. Your dad may not be your superhero, but he's your hero, right? No, seriously, I mean it. All the silent sacrifices he had done. If possible, if possible, try to make it special for him. Just try. Think according to you what you are going to do. Think. Make it as a memorable day, right? If I were you, I'll try to take a small video. If I were you, some things we cannot directly tell. Say to your father, right? Just take a small selfie video. What you want to express, send it. Enough. Make it memorable, guys. There are some things which you should not miss it. Okay? Think about it. Just think about it. All right? Mutton. Chauhan, you're asking mutton. Tomorrow mutton. Sunday is for non-veg day. Okay. There will be one time coming into your life, you will spend Sunday for sleeping. Sunday means you will woke up by maybe morning 10:30 or 11 at that time. Woke up, go to market, bring kothmer, podina curry like that. You will be bringing the food. You will be sitting before the TV or else you will try to work in the kitchen. Once you eat the lunch, Sunday will be completed. 2:30 or 3. Evening you will just go to, park or else somewhere, relax, think about your life decisions. You'll think. You'll think about your life means how many loans we are having, how many EMIs we need to pay. Wait for it, you will enjoy it. Whenever the time comes, remember me. Arey, on that day, Kishan sir said like that. Just remember that. You'll understand on that day. Anyways, so is it done, guys? Okay. So let me just try to. I want to write a program. Please try to help me with this. First, let me write the code. All right. So first things first, tell me what I need. You need to help me. Tell me first what I need. Connection. Means I need my private variables now. Okay, let me take all my private variables. Done. After that, okay, void. Let me just try to go like method. I need my connect method also. Let me just try to get my connect method. Okay, I'm getting my connect method done. After that, void method one. Okay, sure. Let us just try to system.out.println implementing implementing callable statement. Okay, implementing callable statement. All right. So first, let us try to get our connection method. I'm trying to get my connection equal to con belongs to connection interface. All right. Eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. Okay. Connection. I'm getting my connection interface. After that, try. After that, catch catch. Let me go like exception e and e dot print stack trace method. All right. Go ahead. Tell me the code. Con dot con dot prepare call and wait, prepare call. Yes. Con dot prepare call. What we need to give here? We need to give this one exactly like same. Just a second. Let me try to give a string value. Okay. And here, basically, this is syntax which I have given. The syntax. Okay. Just let me try to write it like this. Okay. Cut and okay. Now, call. Please tell me what I need to write here. What is our procedure name? Insert emp data. I'm going to give that procedure name. After that, how many question marks I need to give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I gave my 5 question mark values. You know what? I want to ask the user to enter the data, guys. Let me just try to use a scanner class. Okay, new scanner new scanner equal to SC belongs to scanner. Here, just I'm SYSTM system dot in. Okay. Let me just try to write like this. I want to make this as a static also. Only one copy is enough for me. So static. All right. Now, what is its return type? What is return type? Callable statement. CSTMT belongs to callable statement. All right. Now let me ask the user system.out.println enter enter EMP ID. Okay. So string E underscore ID equal to SC dot next line. Okay. Done. Enter EMP ID. Done. After that, EMP name. After that, EMP designation. After that, EMP basic salary. Okay. First, let us just try to go like EMP name, and here also I'm going with the name. After that, EMP DESG designation, and here also I'll go with DESG designation. After that, here EMP basic salary. So basically, let me just try to go like int emp b sal, and obviously cut integer dot percent, and yeah, of course I'm going to write sc dot next line, and I want to go with my total salary also. Let me just try to like float e underscore e sal equal to, tell me, e underscore b sal, just a second, e underscore b sal plus 0.35 into b sal plus 0.15 into, just 0.15 into b sal, just like this. Let me just try to make it as float, I guess. No, why? Oh, hang on. FLOAT float, and complete. Explicit typecasting, right? Okay. Now, yeah, please tell me after that what I need to do. Hey, you need to help me here. Tell me what I need to do. I need to set the values now. Let's go. Tell me. CSTMT dot set string one. Tell me EID. Okay, that's cool. Nice. Just a second. Let me copy it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Second one. E. Okay. The oops, sorry. E name. Okay. Third. Okay. Hang on. 3, 4, 5. Okay. E designation. Okay. E basic salary. E total salary. And obviously here we need to go with int, and here we need to go with absolutely. Let us just try to go like this. Done, completed. Let us just try to execute cstmt dot execute. Okay, cstmt dot execute, and just want to write just a small data system dot out dot println data inserted, INSERTED, data inserted. That's it. Let me just try to go to my main method now. Inside my main method, this is new JDBC app 8. Okay. I want to have a reference, please. OBJ belongs to JDBC app 8, and simply OBJ dot. Let's find out whether is it working properly or not. Okay, implementing enter employee ID. Let me just try to go like 501, enter employee name, TRISHIKA, Trishika, enter employee designation. Let me go like developer, enter employee basic salary. I just want to give something like 50,000. Let's find out. I'm pressing enter button. Data inserted. Data inserted. Okay. Let me just try to get back to my database. Now here, just a second. SELECT select star from EMP data. Data is present. And SE, okay, just select a star from EMP cell. Successfully, I'm able to enter my data. I hope it's clear, guys. Your turn. First, what you will do, tell me. Create tables. EMP data, EMP cell. After that, write the procedure. And remember, your procedure should be created, not created with warnings. Got it? And then continue the code. Come on, start. Let's go. Database is there. Feel free. Please start. Come on. If you are getting procedure created with warning, you did some mistake. Cross check that. If you are getting procedure created with warnings means obviously you did some mistake. So please check with that. Don't come to me saying, sir, I wrote everything correctly. No, check that. Open your notes and check. Why you are seeing others? You continue with no, let her solve it. Let her solve the problem. You should solve your own problem regarding procedure. Don't ask your friends. No, solve it. Once you solve it, you will never do the same mistake again. I already said this. The biggest challenge in callable statement is writing, writing, proce- writing procedures and functions. So, right. How many of you created procedure successfully? Raise your hands. Hmm. You already created. Yeah, that's what. Try. Up to callable statement, I want you to write all the variables, private variables, connection methods. Next program onwards, you can copy paste. No problem. I mean, that too, if you are confident. Yeah, Varun, continue. If your procedure is created, continue. Continue the remaining code. You want me to show me the procedure? Shall I show the procedure once? Procedure is on the board. Please check. Amma, you. What happened? Solve it. Don't look at it. Try to solve it. Please try. Come on. Spellings. Check the spellings correctly. My advice, write that procedure inside a notepad first. Then copy it in the database. So easily you will be able to modify. How many of you created the procedure properly? Ah, yes, the number is getting increased. That is good. Okay, so now you can move on with the code. You want to see the code or else you can handle? You can handle? Carry on. Go ahead. Done. How many of you completed this method one? Raise hands. Only two. Down. Shall I move on to the next procedure or wait? Please carry on, carry on. Wait, please wait. Completed? Online students, if completed, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat if completed. Online students, no one completed the entire program. If anyone completed, please do let me know. Okay. Dia, Santosh, Shabaz. Only three. Four. Five. Adil, it's done. Suresh, it's done. Five minutes. How many of you are still having a problem with the procedure? Raise your hands. Still having a problem with the procedure. Database problem. What's the problem? Here, here you have given EMP cell. Here you are using EB cell. Try to give exactly the same. Hmm. Like that, check. There are some mistakes are there. Okay. Check the spellings correctly. Automatically it will be getting. What happened? No, no. Show me the code. Mm. Show me the procedure. What is this EST cell? Yeah. This is varchar2, varchar2, varchar2 number. What is this? Check that correctly. Check that correctly. Simple, simple mistakes. Check that correctly. Where is the console? Show me the console. Procedure problem. Check the procedure correctly. Check the correctly. Then only we can get. Basing not only this one, we need to check this one also correctly. Check that correctly. All right. Okay. Done, 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 done. Time's up, time's up, time's up. So actually I thought of writing one more procedure also. By first procedure, I mean, by using this, just a second, let me try to save this. Okay. By using this procedure, we are able to insert the data in parameters. All are input parameters. Procedure actually deals with output parameters also. So we will be able to write one more procedure such that basing upon EMP ID, like EMP ID will be like a input parameter. We will be asking the employee, I mean, user to enter EMP ID. Basing on that, we will be able to retrieve the remaining values also. All these remaining values are out parameters. So in order to do that, we need to use register out. There is a method is there. We'll speak regarding that method on Monday. We'll discuss them on Monday. Is that clear? Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be continuing our sessions again by Monday. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's sessions. If possible, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat for me, guys. Please message me in the chat for me. Program done. All right. Harshvardhan, you're asking, sir, can you share the programs in the Google Classroom? What do you say, guys? Am I going to share the programs in the Google Classroom? A big no. Absolutely not. I'll never share the code in the Google Classroom. Why? Because you know it, I know it. What happens? First control A. After that, I'm leaving the remaining to you only. So, no, that's not going to work, right? Harsha? See you guys. See you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend. Thank you. Thank you for listening.